Hi, I want to show you an app I have created for converting multiple Excel files to one CSV file. So, for example, if I have in my documents, I have my Excel folder. It contains 3 Excel files, just for demonstration purposes. It contains like US states, different. But basically it has the same first row of every file contains name of the column, and it's just one spreadsheet but all data in there, and you can see some file as well. It's similar, and what I want to do, I want to all data from all these files being converted into one CSV file, and also I wanted to first row to be only on top of one file, only on top of first line, and all other just appended by without name of the column. So this is my website. I will leave it into description to download tool. I just double click on download button and wait when it will be downloaded. Yep, and then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI. I will get this message because I'm an unregistered publisher. So if I click on more info, you can see publisher and no publisher, and I click run anyway. Click on next, install, yes, and app will be installed on my desktop. You can see it here, so I can close this. Now converting is like I double click on the shortcut to open application, and conversion is like three steps process. First, I have to select Excel files. I click on select input files. I navigate to documents, my Excel. I can double click. I can select first file, and then holding Shift, click on last one, so it will select all my files I need. And I can click open, or I can click and add more files if I want to add more files. When all files selected, I will just click on next tab. Here I will leave it as it is because my files has a first row which contains name of the columns. This is why I leave it checked. Click on next step and just run conversion if I'm ready. So I have to specify a location. This location is fine. I can specify name of the file if I want to. I can change it. And yeah, and just click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Now when I go to my folder, my Excel, I can see file is here, and when I double click on that, I can see that all 50 states are here. 51 because first row is the columns and it's only first row. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.